Hi guys. So my voice sounds really cool to me right now. I don't know if it's for you guys too. It's like it's kind of like a techno mix. Okay, well, I feel like I didn't share enough with you guys in the last video, so I'm going to show you some pictures from my phone. I have the Blitz. It kind of sucks, but I drop it a lot, so it's actually really very useful. Here is a picture of me. That's just me being bored. I have a picture of a graveyard on here because I think they're cool and interesting. Hey. Okay, why do they put fences around graveyards? I'll answer that in my next video. Okay. Gotta find a good picture. I like to color. I don't know if anyone else does, but I really like to color like everything and anything. Oh, here's a picture of my beagle. It's really hard to see, but she's there and she's like really cute. I'll like call her over sometimes. She's blind, so she's kind of stupid. She'll run into things and then she'll hit her face and she'll just be like, and she'll just keep running. Like she's like, oh, I was supposed to do that. But really, you know, she's on the inside. She's probably like ashamed. I'm gonna see if I can. Ooh, here is a picture of my parents. Yeah, my dad looks like Chuck Norris and Tim Allen mixed together. He denies it, but when I get a better picture, I'll show you, and he really, really does. Oh, here's a picture of what I do on an ordinary day. Just lay on the floor and do nothing. I'm trying to find a picture of my best friend, Perry. She'll probably appear in some of my videos. She's amazing, and I love her. And here's the picture. I found it. I know all of these are really, really blurry, and I'm sorry. Let me try and call over my dog. Abby! Abby, come. Come here, Abby. Come here. Come here. Let me see. Hi. Look over there. Look. Do you see it? Look at. Oh, there's Abby. There she is. She's like a German Shepherd mix. She's really cute. Let me see if I can get my other dog. Sadie, come here. Sadie, come. She's just blindly stumbling into things. Come here, Sadie. Abby, you can go lay down. Okay, come here. Oh. See, this is my beagle, Sadie. Isn't she cute? Oh, she's so blind, huh? Can I get a head too? Ready for this? Snack? Snack? Oh my god. I gotta go get him a snack now. Okay, well, I hope you guys know more about me, and I'll be telling you more, you know, throughout my videos and what they're about, because, yeah. So, I hope you guys have a good day. So, I just burped, by the way. Okay, bye.